This part for MOH UAE licensing series, today I will explain how to book your MOH Prometric exam, the exam pattern and fees, how to prepare effectively, and when you will get your results. Once your data flow verification payment is completed, you will receive your official MOH examination payment link within 2 to 3 working days along with your eligibility number. The eligibility number is used to book your exam. Some of the professions is having oral exam. Some profession is having the exam, written exam. They have to go to the MOH or MOH hospitals and they have to write the exam there, as well as oral exam is there. Then some of the professions is having prometric exam. Most of the professions are having prometric exam, but some professions they don't have the prometric exam, especially allied health technicians and some professions. For prometric exam, we will receive an eligibility number from the MOH. With the help of eligibility number, we are booking on the prometric site. So Prometric has authorized centers across the world. In the UAE, you can take the exam in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. In India, every state has its own Prometric center. Most of the states has its own Prometric center for healthcare professionals. And other places also in Philippines, Pakistan, everywhere the Prometric centers are there. So you can check the Prometric website for location near to you and you can schedule the exam there. For the nurses, Prometric exam fees is 500 and MOH site we have to pay the 300 like that. Questions will be 100 questions will be MCQ questions, 50% is the passing scores and all. Most of the professions it's passing score is 50% and some professions it is 60% and all. Fees may slightly differs. It will be depending on the profession and the Prometric test center location and all. Now for the exam pattern, Prometric exam, as you know that it is a computer based exam and it is a multiple choice questions will be there. Some of the professions having 100 and some of the professions having 150 questions will be there. 4 choices per questions will be there. We have the Nursing Mantra have the study materials for almost all the professions. In the exams, like all the option, it often looks similar. Read each question carefully and focus on understanding the concept rather than memorizing the answers. Of course, in a question, there is 2 answers. You are sure that it is a wrong answer. So initially itself, you just eliminate those 2 answers, 2 options from the answer section. To pass the MOH exam on your first attempt, concept clarity and practice are essential. That's why Nursing Mantra offers official Prometric study material for nurses, doctors, and paramedical professionals, which include previously asked exam questions, model answers, topic-wise MCQ with rationals, scenario-based clinical practice questions. You can visit the Nursing Mantra website to access updated study package for MOH, DHA and DOH exams. After you finish your MOH exam, results are usually released within 5 to 7 working days, sometimes as early as 3 days also. You will receive your result notification by your email and SMS also. You can also log into the MOH portal using your UAE pass to check whether you passed or failed the exam. Only exam results will be announced like you pass or fail. There is no score report. How much you have scored, there is no idea. Only pass or fail option only you can see in the portal as well as in the mail. What is MOH evaluation certificate? Once you have passed the MOH Prometric exam and completed your data flow payment, you will receive your MOH evaluation certificate. This document officially recognizes your qualification and allows you to apply for jobs in any MOH approved facility across Sharjah, Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah and Al Quwain. Evaluation letter confirms that you passed the MOH Prometric exam, you completed the data flow verification payment. With this certificate, you are now eligible to seek employment under Ministry of Health UAE. Evaluation certificate, we can see that MOH will issue before completing the data flow report. But for final license activation from the facility, if your data flow report comes negative, it's not possible to activate the final license. For nurses, the evaluation certificate fee is AED 150 dirhams, usually paid during the initial registration time. For doctors and paramedical professionals, there is no separate evaluation fee. After your MOH exam, your data flow verification may still be processing. The data flow report usually takes 30 to 40 working days to finalize. So don't worry if your evaluation certificate arrives before your data flow report. This is normal. MOH allows you to start job application immediately after passing the exam, even before data flow is fully completed. Once your data flow report is ready, you will get an email notification. Then you can download your verified data flow report, submit it to your employer for license activation. Once your data flow report is positive, your employer can officially activate your MOH license. When you are seeking a job offer, then you have to send an email to the HR department with your updated resume, MOH evaluation letter, and your passport. With a cover letter, you can send always the resumes to, means these files always send it to the authorities for seeking the jobs. If your data flow reports shows discrepancy, unable to verify or negative status, you must apply for re-verification through data flow and fix the issue before activation. Only a positive data flow report allows the MOH license activation to proceed. Earlier, the MOH evaluation certificate was valid for 5 years, but now it has lifelong validity, provided that you maintain less than a 2-year professional gap after issuance and your data flow report remains valid and positive. This means your certificate never expires as long as you keep your professional status active. At Nursing Mantra, we provide end-to-end support for your licensing journey from document verification to license activation. We help you with MOH registration and data flow process, MOH exam booking and evaluation certificate processing, Prometric study material for nurses, doctors, and allied health professionals. You can contact on WhatsApp number which is displayed here. We offer support in English, Malayalam, Tamil, and Hindi. Due to busy calls, it is best to send your query on WhatsApp. Our team will reply in your preferred language. If you found this series helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Nursing Mantra for more videos on healthcare professional licensing.